Hey, this is my first YouTube video to pay it forward for all the videos that I've watched over the years. But I'm working on my Cub Cadet Lawn tractor, and the steering was shot on it. So I ended up picking up the parts, which was just this ring, this bushing that needed to be changed. But while I was under there, I realized that the transmission belt needed to be changed. So it was pretty bad. It was ready to go. So I'm glad I got under there, but I wasn't sure how to get the belt on, and a good friend at the dealer store told me how to do it. You basically just have to move the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. You just have to loosen those bolts up, and then this whole engine slides forward. A lot of guys talk about getting this off or bending these flaps back, but this is a lot of work. You basically just take those 4 bolts off, slide the engine forward, take the belt out, and then just replace it. So that's my little tip. Hopefully that helps you out. Get your steering back together and your drive belt on. Hope this helped you. Bye.